Hey, what's up, bio guys? It is Sunday morning. I am giving your lesson for the week, and today we're talking about DNA. And these are your basic DNA notes, which are basically the instructions for how we look and basically gives us all the things that we need to make protein. DNA stands for deoxyribose nucleic acid. Okay? Basically, deoxyribose is a sugar, and nucleic acids are what make the different bases. And you can have 4 different bases to the DNA. You can have guanine, which we just label as a G. We're lazy as scientists. We don't want to write out guanine every single time. Adenine, which is an A. Thymine, which is a T. Cytosine, which is a C. GATC. These 4 bases are the epitome of what creates all our hair color, eye color, all that different stuff. And it's based on the order that they are in. And it's read much like a book. And it goes from DNA to RNA to protein. Okay? Protein could be like your hair or whatever it might be. This is a DNA molecule founded in the 50s by Francis Crick and Watson. And even Rosalind Franklin was in there to help discover this DNA molecule. It is a double helix. In other words, it's double-stranded. We have one strand and another strand, and they curve with each other. And inside there, it's almost like a ladder. There's the bases. Okay? When we read the DNA molecule, we unwind it and look at it. So if we were to look at a cell, inside our lovely nucleus, remember from mitosis where they copy the chromosomes, that is where our DNA is. Okay? So we're going to zoom in inside our nucleus. And when we open up the DNA molecule, we'll have 2 strands and the bases inside. Now the bases pair a certain way. A always pair with T, and it's a hydrogen bond that connects them. G will always pair with C, and vice versa. On these backbones, think of this like a ladder. These are the stairs you walk up. On the rails, that's where your sugar and phosphate are. They're on the rails. Phosphate is just a P, is what we label it as. The sugar is deoxyribose. Okay? And vice versa. So if this was a C here, what letter would be complementary to the C? G. If there was a T here, what letter would be complementary to the T? You guessed it, A, with the hydrogen bond connecting them. All right? So these bases form of how we're going to look. And as humans, we are 99.99% alike. That little difference is what causes us to look differently. We are 98 to 99% similar to a chimpanzee. Okay? So you can see from DNA, we are similar to our ancestors. Okay? I hope you guys are doing well. There is one worksheet you're going to do. You're going to go on there and read about DNA and its heredity and how it helps us and how it is the instructions for life. Okay? Enjoy it. I am available from 10 to 11 if you need help. Me and Miss Ilyana will be there. We love you. We miss you guys. Keep taking care of business in the classroom, all right? At home, and we'll slowly get through this pandemic and be able to come back shortly. Bye.